Introducing the InstaCuppa mini coffee grinder. It offers ample 60 grams capacity and a safety lock to ensure accident-free use every time. This single press button operation simplifies grinding, saving you time and hassle. Thanks to the transparent lid, monitoring the grinding process is easy. Experience uniform grinding for all your grinding needs. Plus, the leak-proof lid means no mess on your countertops. Versatility is key, allowing you to effortlessly switch between coffee, spices, herbs, and grains, catering to all your culinary needs. Its compact design ensures it fits in any kitchen without taking up unnecessary space. It features easy cleaning, sharp stainless steel blades, durable construction, and quick grinding, making it a perfect addition to any busy mom's kitchen. The InstaCuppa mini coffee grinder is where functionality meets convenience, making every grind count. InstaCuppa ensures you spend less time in the kitchen and more time with your family.